There are many places where it can be dangerous in the universe. For one example, planets. We're going to talk about some interstellar planets that are the worst, which will make you more grateful about being on this planet. Be better prepared for the 10 most dangerous exoplanets that actually exist in the galaxy. Number 10. This incoming planet is called GJ1252b. It has 1.3 times the mass and 1.18 times the radius of the Earth and orbits a star in just 12.4 hours. No atmosphere and has a temperature of 2080 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 9. Korat 7b. It was thought to have been an Earth-like planet, except it was orbiting too close to its star. As it turns out, this 3,600 degree planet is a place where it rains liquid rock, and it orbits its star in 20 hours, 29 minutes, and 9.7 seconds, and it's got 1.58 Earth radiuses in radius. Number 8. The next is a terrestrial exoplanet that only takes 7.7 hours to orbit its star. It's called Gliese 367b. This planet has a temperature of 2,730 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a planet that gets 500 times more radiation than Earth due to its close proximity. And due to that, like many planets on this list, it is tidally locked, meaning only one side faces its star. It also has a core of iron just like that of Mercury, but this planet is a Mars-sized planet. It is by far the smallest known of any exoplanet. That is, it is the smallest exoplanet known to man. Number 7. WASP 7b, like many planets on the list, is classified as a hot Jupiter and was once thought to have rain of liquid iron, but instead it doesn't, despite there being iron in the atmosphere. On this planet, there is a rich amount of metals, and the temperature on daytime is 2500 plus or minus 500 Kelvin. Number 6. WASP 12b. It is a planet that absorbs 94% of the star's light coming to it. It is a tidally locked hot Jupiter, and it's a temperature planet 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Its surface temperature is brought up to 2500 Kelvin, 2200 degrees Celsius, when it has come close to its star. It's slowly being eaten by it. The star is pulling away at the planet's atmosphere at 189 quadrillion tons. That's 378,000 pounds. Number 5. 55 Cancri, the diamond planet, due to its composition of carbon. After more close analysis, it was found that there is more oxygen than carbon, and it wasn't made of so much diamond, worth $26.9 million. This planet is 4,400 degrees and contains hydrogen, helium, and hydrogen cyanide in its atmosphere, despite being a tidally locked rocky planet. It is known as a super-Earth, a rocky planet larger than the Earth itself. It orbits its host star 55 Cancri. It's believed that the surface of this planet is an ocean of lava. It was the first rocky planet to be analyzed really carefully, finding that instead of water vapor, there is hydrogen, helium, and extremely poisonous hydrogen cyanide in its atmosphere. Number 4. GJ1132b, a planet whose temperature is based on reflection rather than has an Earth-like or a Venus-like refraction of light. It gets 19 times more radiation than Earth, and it's known to have an atmosphere of hydrogen, methane, nitrogen, and hydrogen cyanide, just like the previous planet. And it is a rocky world. Number 3. Upsilon Andromedae b is a planet where the upper clouds are known to have silicates and iron. They absorb light instead of reflecting it as thought. And between that and the layer of gases surrounding the mantle, there exists a stratosphere made up of vanadium and titanium oxides. Other compounds could even exist there as well. Number 2. Ogo 2005 BOG 390 LB, a planet negative 370 degrees Fahrenheit. On this planet, volatiles such as nitrogen, water, methane, or ammonia would be frozen solid, whereas on planet Earth they'd be liquids or gases. This planet was thought to have been Earth-like. Number 1. Gliese 876d. This planet is known to have a silicate core surrounded by an ocean of supercritical water. It may have been because it used to be a gas giant migrating towards its star and getting its atmosphere blown off by a coronal mass ejection. Otherwise, it would have been formed from rocky material pushed by gas giants, and therefore it's a rocky planet. Zero Zone. Kelt 9b, a planet 7,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Each of its years, 36 hours orbit. It receives 2 periods of heating and cooling because of the star's hot poles. It is known that this is a hot Jupiter and tidally locked. We've just finished introducing by far the hottest exoplanet in the galaxy. Something sure to make people more grateful that they live on the planet Earth. But there were also some crazy times in Earth's prehistoric past that were too dangerous for humans. If you want to know about these times, check out my video about worst times to be alive in prehistory.